start another video?
Yep.
Go on.
Yep. 20 seconds in. Yeah, nice.
Oh, that looks so much bigger than it is.
It's crazy.
Try and do a mega jump off it.
He did. He just did a mega jump. I'll just get a couple of photos of you there with that in the background while you're there.
I can see Lonnie. She's like a dot. Tiny figurine.
All right, and stand up once your board's off. Or do you want to just ride down from there? Just ride, go that way.
What a hike.
Oh no, we're going to start up here, so you may as well stay here. Just leave your board and grab your jacket.
Get a fella, yeah.
Oh, that's good. Marley, put your pole out of the shot. Right bag. We'll zoom in.
Ugh.
Cool. All right, you want to wait up here, Marley?
Are you gonna hike up there?
No, I'm going to go back and get my board, and then I'm going to come here. I'm going to start our run from here.
Yeah.
Do you want me to just bring your jacket from where it is when I come up?
Yeah, do it.
All right.
Bring it.
It's the most nerves I've had boarding in so long.
Yeah, because you feel like you're dropping into the abyss.
I think I'll do that one more time today and see how I go.
Cool.
That was fun. I'm gonna eat some snow. Yeah. I want to throw a snowball and see if it rolls down and gets more and more speed.
There it goes. Oh, sit, go. Roll it down that way, mate. Make one. Like push one together. Like make a nice ball and just roll it gently. Don't throw it. Just roll it, and you watch where it goes. There it goes. And make a pinwheel.
All right, are we gonna board or what?
There it goes.
Wait a minute, where's my
There
board?
it goes!
Your board's there. Where you left it. Right, there's your thing. I'll go get my board. See if the girls want to come up and start with as well.
Start the one here. I don't reckon they'll want to hike this bit. This bit's a steep bit to
Do
hike.
it. We've made enough tracks now. Slacks isn't a bar.
Hey, Geordie.
You guys want to come up and do the run?
Oh, hit your binding.
Well, unstuck yourself.
Yeah. Ugh.
She wants you to look.
Huh, do it.
It's crazy. Alright, I'll go get them.
There goes, Daddy. There goes another.
Yeah, those little bumps.
Yeah,
Cool, huh?
they're from the side. Now watch this, Daddy. I'm going to launch another.
Alright, go on. Oh yeah, that was a big one. Alright, one got stuck in a hole. There's a hole there from where we walked. Alright, look at my board.
Now, Daddy, watch this one. This one's a mega one.
Yeah, but there's a big hole there, mate. You're getting stuck in.
I'm going to do another spot.
Yeah, come up.
I'll go get my board and everything.
Marley, do you want to film one for me?
Of you doing a jump.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I need to take my gloves off.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Just put it in your helmet.
Yeah, just dust off that Yeah, you're not too cold?
Oh, I'm actually boiling.
Here, give me a hand. Nice. All right.
My hands are so sweaty. Look at the water on them from how sweaty they are.
All right.
Look at them.
Yeah. Don't press any of these side buttons. All right.
Yeah.
And just point it about there.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll start recording. Just hold the sides. Don't click on the screen. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Point it a bit to the right. Yeah. Okay. Stay there. I'll do one
Wait,
more.
should I stop it?
No, no. Leave it. Just let
It's
it
already
go.
been going for like 20 seconds.
Yeah, that's okay.
We jump off.
Yeah.
Geordie,
Yeah.
take your thermal top off for this one. There you do.
Too cold, mate. Alright. Aim it that way a little bit. Yeah. So you just the jump in it. Alright? Still going?
Yep.
Cool.
It's gone for 2 minutes already.
Ready?
Get your most speed this time. Good.
Nearly got a grab. Start recording. Just hold the sides, don't click on the screen. Now, mate. Is that alright?
Yeah, I've pressed it already. I'm watching it now.
Don't get it wet, whatever you do. Yeah. Just hold it still.
I'm just watching it now.
Stay there, I'll do one.
Right, should I stop it?
No, leave it.
It's already been going for like 20 seconds. We jump off.
Yeah.
Geordie, take your thermal top off for this one. There you do.
I see.
This is it. This is it. No, it's right at the jump. Was that good? Filming? My hands are freezing.
Do you want to do one more? Is that okay?
Oh, fine. You should do it this time. Take your thermal top off.
Huh?
You should take your thermal top off for just once. You didn't land it last time. I reckon you'll do good this time.
I'll do one more. Yeah, you can do it. Alright, I started filming. Gotta land it this time, right?
Yeah.
Gotta land it. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Alright, so mate, hold on. Alright, hold up.
Hello.
Still going, Marley?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yep.
Alright, aim it that way a little bit.
Try to do your biggest jump yet. Like full, put your board upwards.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh dear. Oh.
Yes! Oh, nice.
That's his 5th time doing that.
You stop that recording now, mate. All those
this time.
Well done, guys. Ready? Good work. Good hiking. Is that fun?
Yeah. Watch this. Meow.
Oh, it's so hot, isn't it? Oh,
I'm boiling.
right down on your back. We'll take your helmet off in a minute. Let some of the heat out of your headline. Take your helmet off. Just put it upside down. Good girl.
How does it look, Marley?
Good. Wanna watch it? I'll skip to the bit where you do a jump.
Yeah.
Can you see from here? You see now?
Should I try one?
Huh? Oh,
Watch.
if you're brave. Let me have a look.
Brave or stupid? Well, look, you can see the
Oh,
crater now.
sick.
You can see the crater, Jody. at the
That
top
was
of the ocean.
epic. Wow. Did you get a screenshot?
I will later.
Just turn around right there. Don't have to move, just your head.
That was epic.
Just turn your head, mate.
And you lost my pole.
Okay.
Turn your head.
Marley.
That's cute. Andy.
Look, you see the crater.
Oh yeah.
See the
Is there a
Oh
blue
yeah.
there?
No, Mount Yoti, mate.
Oh
At the top,
yeah.
You can see the dark section, that's the crater.
Oh yeah.
Where?
The top of Mount Yoti. Which is
Over
not where
there.
you're looking right now.
Oh. Come on, take your helmet off. Cool down a little.
Yeah, take your helmet off. Yeah. Alright, I think I should do this, Jordy.
Hold on.
I think you should. What does that look like, that picture? I could go off that
you wanna?
bit there.
Yeah.
I would put your helmet on. Just when you drop off,
Yeah.
really bend your knees. You really need to absorb it, or your front nose will fly out.
When you land.
Yeah. Basically, try and land as if you're jumping, not trying to keep going.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you fall?
Oh, careful, mate. I only landed that last one.
Put those poles back on this side of you so they don't fall off.
Hiya.
At least I was there to see
Hiya.
it.
Alright, just try and get a good angle with that same background.
Yeah.
You guys hiked up? I can't believe you hiked up that extra bit.
Hey? Stay here.
Say when you're ready.
Hiya. It's freezing.
Are you allowed to go off that little bit there?
Really
Ease.
high, dude.
No, not there.
I know. I've done this with a bunch of lines where they stop and they start. That's me falling without me doing a jump off it. That's how much fall distance there is.
Just that tiny little bit
Well, look where the track stops. There's two of them, and look where I land.
there. I'm not talking about that.
Oh, you mean through the tracks that I've made?
I mean that bit there, yeah.
Oh, that's probably okay.
And go off that little tiny bit there.
Oh, so much adrenaline. Holy crap! Actually, like full sweating.
I'm sweating so much.
Oh, holy crap! That first one, my heart was beating. I tell you.
Because you're scared.
Yeah. Look how big that drop is.
Daddy! Holy shit, why is you going to the biggest one?
Are you
I would come
doing
down
it?
off this one.
Yeah,
You're going off that one.
that's too deep.
I would come off this one here.
Try to land in soft snow, not the compacted bit.
Okay.
So if I just go off this bit,
It's quite high.
It is quite high.
alright, come down a bit.
Yeah.
Come down a bit.
I don't think it realises how tall it is. Yeah, no.
Oh, ouch.
Jody.
You sweating? I'm sweating. I'm more hot than you could ever in your life.
Yeah.
Breathe.
Hi, dude.
Breathe. Breathe.
No, Lance, look at me. You can do it and put your arms around her.
No,
Oh.
why am I doing that?
Lance, look like you're playing. What are you playing? Put your hands out in prayer. Now put your head up. Put your hands up. No, in prayer. Praying for Daddy's good jump.
Show Geordie. Show Geordie.
So there, so they get one of you two boys.
Yeah, Andy, I'll come down the lowest one.